Hi there, and welcome to another video from the Costa Car Trader. So if you are missing going to nightclubs and partying because there's this horrible lockdown we're going through at the moment, you may be pleased to know that the Germans have come up with a solution. Despite strict social distancing measures being in place, the Germans are able to party the night away by having these drive-in raves. Hundreds of cars turn up for the 3-hour auto discos, with participants rocking away in their cars and blasting their horns along to the music. These auto discos are proven to be quite a success in Germany, so who knows, maybe they'll start catching on and other clubs around the world will start hosting their own versions of these auto discos. So how cool is that? Those Germans are very creative, aren't they? But as it's a drive-in disco, you're not going to be able to drink, so you'll be having to party while you're sober. But it still looks a lot of fun. Anyway, that brings us to the end of our little news bulletin, so I hope you liked it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.